Well, as you know, projects breed projects. I need to be able to move the compound on this lathe, and you can see why it won't move. It's packed up full of rust and crap, so I'm gonna have to clean this out before I can get those studs to move, and then if I can get those studs to move, I might actually be able to get this thing to turn. So I'm gonna do that and I'll bring you back. Alright, so that looks a lot better. I got it all nice and oiled up, so hopefully it won't rust again. Now I can slide these with my fingers versus having to beat them with a sledgehammer. So I'll get the compound back over here and sit it back down on here and see if I can get it to spin like it's supposed to. Look at that. Sweet. Back in position. Well, there's the shop boss come to approve this job. So, got my new EA Aloris tool post mounted on my newly repaired compound that I can now swivel back and forth. So that'll make it possible to do the next little job that I gotta do on this machine. And I guess one more thing fixed. Coming up soon will be a video on fixing whatever they were doing here where they ground and cut all this out. I don't like that. I want to put it back like that side so it'll look decent. And I had several people ask about how I cleaned up the waves on this machine, so I'm going to do a video on that. I thought I'd discussed it before in a previous video, but I guess it's been missed because I've had several people ask about how I got them nice and shiny on this machine. So I got tarp over it because it rains on that end of it, because I still haven't got up there and fixed the roof. But did have some help here from the unknown apprentice the other day, and I got the rest of the paneling up.
Bailey, give me some help with this.
Bailey's supervising.
Am I doing this right, Bailey?
We've got the unknown apprentice here today, and he's working with the little Monarch lathe, getting some practice in case he has to work on any big lathes.
Wow. That's a nice little girl, isn't it?
It is. A little EA tool post to cover the insulation, so now I won't have that blowing out anymore, and probably keeps it a little bit warmer in here. I still got to do the insulation in the ends down there. I'm leaving that open for now because I'm still running electric wires. And I got to do that in there and then work on getting some sealing done. I'd like to get some of that in this winter so I can hold a little more heating in here. Right now we're still running off of the electric water heater back there, which is about 6,000 watts of power. So it doesn't do a lot for the temperature in here, but it does make it about 10 to 15 degrees better than whatever it is outside. So definitely makes a difference. Bailey approves. Thanks for watching. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video about getting this piece fixed on here so that I can do another job where I need to turn that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll catch you later.